Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to create Windows 11 bootable USB drive for unsupported PCs. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you will need a USB drive, 8 GB or higher, a Windows 11 ISO file, and the Rufus application. Our video on how to download the Windows 11 ISO might help you. The link is in the description below. Please be aware that the USB drive will be formatted, so you will lose everything on it. Make sure to back up any necessary files beforehand. Now go to your browser of choice and search for Rufus. Navigate to the official website. Then scroll down to the download section. You can download either the standard or the portable type. I will go with the portable type. Next, insert the USB drive into the computer and open the Rufus application. In the Rufus interface, enter the device option. Select the USB drive. Under Boot Selection, click on Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO file. Keep the rest of the options as default and click on the Start button. Now you can customize the Windows installation by checking or unchecking any of the available options based on your requirements. Keep the option Remove requirements for plus 4 GB RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM to 0.0. Check to remove Windows 11 requirements and be able to install it on unsupported PCs. You can also keep the option Remove requirements for an online Microsoft account checked or uncheck it based on your preference. Additionally, you can check the options Create a local account and choose its username, set regional options to the same values as this user's, and disable data collection based on your preference. Lastly, starting from Windows 11 version 2 for H2, Microsoft will enable BitLocker device encryption automatically when you do a clean install of Windows 11, so you can check the option Disable BitLocker automatic device encryption if you want to disable it. Finally, click on OK, and OK again. Wait for the process to finish. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.